This is my 2000 Honda Civic EX, and just wanted to share with you an ongoing problem that I've been having to go through with it. And it's just some knocking and popping sounds that have been going on as I've been driving, and just want to see if y'all folks can help me diagnose this problem here. Now we'll just go through a quick spin around the neighborhood. I'm actually on my way to the library to do some studying, and we'll go and see what kind of sounds we hear on the way. If y'all can help me diagnose this problem, it'll be much obliged. Go ahead and take her for a quick spin here. Oh, that was a loud one there. I hope y'all heard that. Now this pop and goes as I'm driving, and sometimes it's not as bad, but I know it is a problem that should be fixed. But if y'all can help me diagnose this problem, I'll do my best to see what we can do about getting it fixed. Go ahead. Now this is a 5-speed manual for those of you who want to know. I know when I'm watching car videos, I usually like to see if the car is standard or not, but it's just me. I'm going to make this stop here and see how she treats us here. Sometimes, right now it's fairly quiet. It would as I'm making this video. Just going about here right now. There are some bumps on this road here. Loud pop right there. Not sure what it could be. I've read online it could be my transmission, or it could be some suspension or my wheel bearings. If y'all could help me just clarify what it is, it'd be much appreciated. There it is. For now it's neutral. It's in neutral right now at the moment, and it's making that noise. I am slowing down. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but there is some type of little clink sound as well associated with it. Now I feel like that's as much as I can get it to make it sound for now. Maybe. There we go. See, now there was a turn there, so that's why I'm wondering to see if maybe there's something with my suspension or my axles, maybe my CV joints. It is a suspicion that it might be that, but again, there we go. I got a little turn here and making the sound loud. See, this turn right here is all good. And this problem just started a few days ago, and very recent. Now this is my daily, and I really do hope to get this fixed very soon. Alright, I'll go ahead and conclude this video, and appreciate you watching, and please let me know if you've got any suggestions of what I can do. Thank you very much. Y'all have a blessed day.